Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we have been given the opportunity here at Masjid Al-Azhar in Belmore to start a project regarding renovations of the bathrooms, both the men's and the women's, upstairs and downstairs. And this is obviously from the maintenance of Allah Azza wa Jal's houses. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the translation of the meaning of the verse in the Quran that verily the houses of Allah Azza wa Jal are maintained by those who have certain qualities. The first one is that they believe in Allah and believe in the last day, perform their prayers, give zakat, and do not fear anyone except Allah Azza wa Jal. These 5 qualities are given to the ones who maintain Allah Azza wa Jal's houses. This is an opportunity for us all to participate and give for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal, in hope that we become from those who maintain Allah's houses and in return are granted this type of qualities that Allah has mentioned in the Quran. Barakallahu fikum.